Hi, it's the beginning of Comp 2. This is Laura Cruz. I'm your instructor for Comp 2 in a restricted section through the Iowa Community College Online Consortium. There is a textbook required for this course. There have been some questions about that, and you should be able to see on the screen the picture of the front of the book. It's called Current Issues and Enduring Questions. The information about the textbook is also listed in the syllabus. If you are in a high school setting, I'm not sure exactly what your high school's procedure is for arranging for you to get the book. If you are on your own to get the book, you should be able to do a web search and find it fairly easily, and there are inexpensive options for ebook editions if cost is a concern for you. Welcome to the class. I'm excited to jump in with you. I think you're going to like the readings from the textbook, and if you end up with an e-version that's $20, I feel confident it's $20 well spent. You're going to learn, and we're going to have some robust discussions around them. So if you don't get it during week 1, it's not a crisis. We'll be using it during week 2, and my experience with textbooks is if you get an order placed today or tomorrow, you shouldn't have any problem receiving an edition of the book in time for the assignments that require it during week 2. Thank you. Please contact me if you have any questions or concerns about the book.